Dundalk TV is with Terry and Tina, and they are both pet lovers, and they have both lost their birds, their pet birds, and they're going to share on Dundalk TV about their birds and let everyone know what kind of birds they have and how to contact them if someone should find these birds. So we'll start with Tammy. Tammy, please tell us about your bird.
He's a 13-year-old male African gray. He's gray with a red tail and a black beak. There is a reward.
You live
In Water's Edge, Dundalk.
Your contact information
Is 443-768-5357.
Okay, and your bird has been missing for how long?
Since June 9th, and he answers to the name Peanut.
And has anybody seen the bird?
I've got several sightings on the bird. So far, none of the sightings have been accurate. I think they're seeing doves. Peanut's a lot bigger than a dove. Peanut is probably about that big. He's a male bird, so far we've gotten no clues to where he's at.
Well, I'm sorry that you have lost your pet. I know how attached people get to their pets, and hopefully somebody sees this video and you can be reunited with your pet.
I hope so.
Now, Tina, please tell us about your pet.
Well, my conure is 3 years old. He is about that high, and then a tail. It's a long red tail. He's green on the outside, and like a silvery top, like on the head, and then it's like yellow and red on the breast. He is banded. He escaped from our house. It was on June 1st. From off of Halibut Avenue.
How can someone contact you if they find your bird?
My cell phone number is 410-206-7011. If anybody sees either one of these birds, I ask that you keep your eye on it, contact us,
Stay with the bird.
Stay with the bird, even take pictures, but keep your eye on them. Maybe coax them with food or whatever, but keep your eye on them and call us immediately.
If someone sees the birds, how would you, both of you, suggest getting the birds to come to you? And talk about your own particular bird, because I'm sure they have their own personalities.
Peanut usually comes down. He's used to walk in my yard with the dogs. So he'll come down to you if you just say pretty bird, or call him by Ginger, Peanut, Buddy, Bella. They're all the dogs' names. So he's used to dogs. He usually comes right down to the ground and starts walking right up to you. He's a really friendly bird.
And Tina, how do you get your pet to come to you?
Okay, well, first off, his name is Oliver. He's not really well socialized with people outside of our family. So if you see him, don't chase him. I would suggest coaxing him with food. He's going to be hungry. Crinkle a bag of chips or a crunch on chips. He's going to want some, so he will come to you.
Okay, well, Dundalk TV hopes that we can help you out with this situation, and you've gained some other support throughout the community.
Oh yes, we've got a lot of people sharing our post on Facebook. We've hung several thousands of flyers, even though they keep getting ripped down. But you can call either one of our numbers if you see either one of the birds. We're working together with this, so we both show up. If one of us can't get there, the other one will be there for sure. We're usually there within minutes, so please feel free to call us, take pictures, and let us know exactly what landmark that you see the bird at, of a street name, a color of a house on that street, something.
Even the condition of the bird, if they're looking thin or if they look injured, we need all the information that we can get. And again, my cell phone number is 410-206-7011. And Tammy?
Mine's 443-768-5357.
Okay, best of luck to you both.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure.